Girl, you make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it yes, is it no?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an install with this wig that I got from this company. I will put all the information in the link. So I already started off with like got to be glue on like my forehead and shit like that. I had like 2-3 layers. And oh yeah, I was looking for I was looking for the mirror. And yeah, I'm gonna start off with just installing the wig. I'm going to be putting the wig down on the top of the glue. And to like kind of like secure that, I'm just kind of like trying to make sure that the glue is like intact with like the lace. And I'm trying to like measure it and see like if it's look good on my head, this and that, da da da. So okay, okay. So yeah, I was using the comb. I was really using the comb to like make sure like that, I don't know, it gives it like a good grip and it really like melts the hair like where it needs to be. It gives it like a really good grip. I'm not gonna lie. So after that, I think I did use an elastic band. I did as soon as I said that, and I'm tying my hair up because every time my hair is down, it always like get caught in the fucking hair and the elastic band and shit like that. So I'm tying my hair up and I'm making sure everything is right, everything is glued down, da da da, no mistakes. And so I'm putting the elastic band on, and don't mind my elastic band, it's kind of dirty. And okay, so basically I'm spending like 5 to 10 minutes doing this fucking elastic band. Anyways, so I'm not gonna be talking over this for about a whole 20, whatever, how long this video is, because I'm editing this shit and I'm not gonna be talking over it. So I'm gonna sit back, relax. Y'all sit back, relax. Y'all have some snacks, whatever. Watch how I install my wigs. This is not really how I install it, but I did it just for this video. So sit back, have some popcorn, listen to this music I'm about to put some straight heat. It's like, nah, it's just music that's you can use for YouTube. And anyways, but yeah, I'm finna get off this bitch and just watch how I do this shit and watch how I slay this. Bye.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says
together. Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know, I know you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit, know that shit, know that it is mine.
I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. says, my body says, my body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy.